morning-ish. So, some of you might recognise this pink behind us. What's today?
It's your birthday.
It is my birthday. And this has sort of inadvertently ended up being part 4 of my 30 new things. And that is a surprise trip. So I kind of have a cool husband, I guess. So, if you didn't guess from the nice pink walls, we'll turn you around. We're in Disney! It's very cold, but yeah, we're excited. Been up since 4, so a little bit tired. We haven't eaten yet. I mean, it's now like 11:30. So we're going to do what everybody does when you first arrive at Disney, and we're going to walk away from the parks and go get some food. So, we're all fed. We just went to a live sandwich. Totally forgot to vlog it because I was starving, quite frankly. But now we're heading into the park as it starts to rain because
Spitting.
Why not?
There's blue sky over there again.
yeah, hopefully it'll.
But it's pouring down when we left England, so...
Yeah, slight improvement at the moment, but we still gonna get wet. It's a little while later. We have tried to ride Thunder Mountain. Got evacuated from the queue because it's gone down. So we kind of just took today to have a little wander. Excuse this wind. Have a little wander, take in the atmosphere. We watched Mickey's Feel Her Magic, which was quite cool. Neither of us have seen that before, so that was pretty cool. We've just wandered up to our hotel to check in. We're in the Hyde Park again where we stayed in November, and our room's not quite ready yet, so we're going to go have a quick wander around the mall, get some snacks and stuff for the room, and yeah, see what we can find up there for a minute while they finish getting their room ready. They said it should be like half an hour, so yeah, go have a quick wander up there, get out of this wind for a bit, and maybe find a birthday cake, because why not? And yeah, we'll see you in a bit. It's quite a bit later. We ended up being at the malls quite a bit longer than we planned, but never mind, we are now checked into our room, and I thought I would do the obligatory room tour. We are in the Hyde Park by Adagio again, which is where we stayed in November, if you watched those vlogs. However, we have a studio book this time, which, to be fair, they don't get as good reviews, but actually it's fine for us. We flip you around and I'll show you what we're working with. Okay, so front door is behind where I was just stood. We come in, we've got the bathroom here. So we have bath, toilet, shower over, sink with me, hello, and a Carl head. So yeah, sink, towels down there, nice little bit of storage up here. Yeah, it's nice again. A Carl in a corner. We have double wardrobes here again. My glamorous assistant is opening for you, so all of our stuff's in there and is safe in there as well. And then that's double-sided, so there's a ironing board the other side if I'm not mistaken,
yes.
And coat hangers, so our coats are in there. Nice big full-length mirror again. And then come in, this would be an adjoining door if we had anyone with us, but it's just us this time. Small funky wall up. And king bed, double bed? Not 100% sure.
Probably king.
Probably, yeah. We have a pool view this time, so there is the hotel pool. And Disney is this way. Oh, I know I'm leaving fingerprints on the glass. Oops. Oops, oops. And then we have like a writing desk again, TV over. This pointless little table because we only have, oh, fell over, one table between, one chair. So we can't actually eat at the table here, but that's fine.
It might be worth letting people know just in case they decide to book it. You only get CNN in English.
Oh, okay, there you go. And then little kitchenette again, so we have cupboard space up here and microwave. There's also a toaster in this cupboard. Little hob here, and little drinks I've just made, and sink. We have a cupboard with a bin, dishwasher like before, and fridge with a little freezer compartment. So yeah, I think obviously the room we had last time was probably a bit better, but it was a 2-bed apartment and this is a studio, so you sort of expect that, but this is perfectly fine for just the 2 of us. And we've done exactly what we did last time, got a few little bits of ham and cheese and bread and stuff in so we can make our lunches, make it nice and budget friendly. Yeah, so I think Well, it's 7:20 now. Both parks close at 7:30 tonight. So we're not going to be going back to the parks tonight, but we may wander down to Disney Village. That should be open till 11, I think. I will double check it. But yeah, plan for now is to have a cup of tea. Actually, I have a coffee, Carl has a hot chocolate, and come up with a proper plan. So we will update you when we decide what we're doing. So we've finally ventured back out. It's really cold, but we've come down to Disney Village to find some food and do some shopping, because why the heck not? You know, when in Disney, just throw all your money at Disney. So we didn't film in Planet Hollywood because it was packed and kind of dark and very loud. But how was your foods?
It was okay.
Just okay?
Yeah. I wouldn't rate it anything special.
No, it was okay. We shared a LA lasagna and a burger. It was good. It was fine. Happy.
Yeah, it's good food, but it's just nothing special, is it?
No. But now, in true Disney Polar fashion, we are going back to the hotel to have a bath and warm up. So we'll see you in the morning.